Hey everyone, Julie B here from The Gab and the Crab, and it is election day. God bless America. We are celebrating by making our favorite cocktail drink. We had it over at Disneyland at California Adventure. It is called the Watermelon Candy Cocktail, and it's amazing. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you're going to need to go ahead and get some Chimoy. Everyone loves this right now. This is going to use this as a garnish. You're going to use some Tajin for the rim. So it's going to be a tequila based drink. A lot of times they use a salt on the rim. This is kind of a sugar spice or a spicy seasoning with lime around the rim, which is amazing. Go ahead and get yourself some Watermelon Schnapps, which is really, really great. These are going to be hard to find, but you can certainly find them where all the schnapps are going to be at. And then my favorite part, the tequila. I went ahead and went with the Casa Amigos tequila. It is Blanco from Jalisco, and it smells so good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So to start with this drink, you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab a glass, and you're gonna go ahead and rim it like you normally do. So you're gonna go ahead and dip this into this chamoy. It's gonna take a little bit for it to dry. So all the way around, and you can do this first and wait till, and then make your drink. And as this dries, you can then pour it in. So all I'm doing is I have Tajin on a plate. I'm just kind of coating it around. And this is what it'll look like when you're done. So to go ahead and save time, I already prepped two. So these are two ready to go, and we're gonna be ahead and pouring them in here. And if you guys don't know this, a shot glass is 1.5 ounces. So this recipe calls for 3 ounces of tequila. I'm telling you, it smells good. You guys can use any tequila that you want, your favorite one, but oh, it smells really good. Kind of close to taking a sip, not gonna lie. So I have a mixer cup here with some ice in it. When you're making tequila, especially these harder ones, you definitely want to put it on ice. It'll make it taste a lot smoother going down. So this is 1.5. So for 3 ounces, we're gonna do 2 of the tequila. And then it is 3 ounces of the watermelon schnapps. And then we're gonna top it off with just pineapple juice. You guys can get any kind of pineapple juice you want. I went with Joel. It was there, it was available. I like the smaller cans because you can pour it and then toss it and not have to waste it all. So it's really great for single use. And then I'm just pouring just a little bit into the drink, just to fill it to the top. Put a lid on it, you can shake it if you would like. And did not think of this thoroughly. Just give it a spin. And here we go. So make sure if you have one of these mixer glasses to hold the top of it, otherwise it's going to pour all into your glass. These mixer glasses have holes in the very top, which is really nice. So it's going to hold all of the ice back, but you're going to go ahead and get the liquid, which is going to be, oh my gosh, so fantastic. Okay, I'm hurrying up. So go ahead and pour this into your cup. Should you split them this way? Don't worry, we'll make more. Okay, so here we go, about 2 for each of them. Now here's the best part, it's called a watermelon candy cocktail. You guys can find these lollipops over where they sell all the Mexican candy, the dulce and all of it. This one is called Super Leon, and it is watermelon and spice, sweet and spiced watermelon hard candy lollipops. So this is what they look like. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna dip it right in here. Yep. So those are going in there. And then we get a little bit of a lime on top. Oops, excuse me. And there we go. Got our watermelon candy cocktail. Stay tuned for the reviews.
All right, guys, so Julie B was nice enough to make the watermelon candy cocktail. And like she said in the beginning, it is voting day, so we wanted to do something special for you guys. And if you went to the Oogie Boogie Bash this year, or if you went to California Adventure, then you'll know that these were at the Plaza de la Familia. We went there, we paid $17 a piece for these things. But it was well worth it, even though we almost lost it on the Monsters After Dark.
Yeah, you almost lost it.
We all almost lost it.
We almost lost it.
So my record, I think, was 2 or 3, maybe 3 from where we were to the walk over to Monsters After Dark.
Yeah,
so
it was a great time.
But yeah, we did it up, and we'll let you know how they go right now. All so right. Cheers.
Cheers. That tastes like the kids are getting an Uber.
That tastes like I'm not going to work tomorrow. This tastes, no BS. This tastes exactly like the one in the park. Well, you actually got the recipe from...
Yeah, so we actually got the recipe from the DisneylandGo.com website. So if you go on their website, you can see what drinks they have, especially if you have an allergy, like me. It'll tell you what allergy-friendly foods there are, and this was an alcoholic side. It's the Paradise Garden Grill, and it is tremendous. I like the fact that he's asking me questions so I can answer.
No, this tastes exactly like the one in the park.
It does. And how's the tequila?
Oh, it's tremendous.
The tequila's really good.
Yeah, buy good tequila. That'll make a huge difference. So you got to get the Chimoy. You got to get the Tajin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this tastes like a good drink for voting day.
Yes, it does. Tastes like a good day for doing absolutely nothing now.
Well, the thing about it is that it's really sweet, like the watermelon and the
pineapple.
The pineapple, they add like a lot of sweetness to it, and it covers up that tequila taste. But the nice thing is the Chimoy and the Tajin add like a spiciness to it, like a saltiness to it. So it's really easy to drink.
It's really easy to drink. I mean, I actually kind of forgot that I was drinking tequila right now, and I think if I continue to drink this, I'm going to continue to forget a lot of different things.
Yeah.
But no, this is really good. This is, kind of a copycat recipe. I did 3 ounces of the tequila, 3 ounces of watermelon schnapps. I poured it over ice in a shaker glass, and then added just pineapple juice to fill it to the top. And then just give it a stir. Pour it into your glass. Use the Tajin, the Chimoy if you want. These lollipops are they really add a great flavor to the very bottom of the drink. Garnish it with some lime and you're good to go. And if you're not a Tajin fan, I don't know who wouldn't be, do some sugar. Do some sugar on the rim, which would be really great too. So
salt. You do salt too.
Salt, sugar, yeah. So.
Yeah, because you kind of gotta be a fan of spicy stuff to be able to drink one of these or 2 of these. But if you weren't a fan of spicy, I could see how you couldn't put down more than maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But this would be good. What would this be good for? For walking around the park at Disneyland. Not a lot of jostling. No. I mean, at least 10-15 minutes. It's like eating. Yeah. It's like eating before you swim. You got to give it like 15 minutes before you get jostled up and down on the Monsters After Dark.
Yeah.
Because that was almost a really interesting picture right at the top.
Excuse me.
But for around the house, like if you were going to have, I know it's winter time for most of you out there where we live. I don't think it's ever winter. Yeah. But if you were going to have people over for a pool party. Yeah, this would be great. Oh, you blow their minds with this. Yeah, no, this is a really great, I mean, it's a nice kind of fall into winter drink, because the Tajin. I get summer. I get summer all day, yeah. I could do this from fall to winter. Like it's still warm enough. What did I just say? And then as it bleeds into spring.
just keep drinking.
And then into summer.
Yeah, I mean, it's year round.
It's year round.
I'm Mexican. I'm allowed though.
I'm just saying that I see like pool party.
Yeah, pool party.
Especially if it was going to be like a bunch of like your girlfriends at a pool party. But if their husbands were dragged along with and they had to come, like there's plenty of tequila and Tajin to make it seem manly. Exactly. And then 1 or 2 of these, they would have fun anyway. Exactly. And the drink we have right now, we did the 3 ounces and we split between the both of us because otherwise this video would probably go a whole different direction. So, you can definitely do 3 ounces for 1 cup. If you want to split it for 2, next time I'm just making it for me. But it's pretty good. I'm really impressed with it. I love tequila-based drinks. And this Casamigos is a really, really great brand. It's a Blanco, which is nice. It's a white.
obviously, but it's a really, really clean and clear. It's made with the agave, and you'll know if you're getting really good tequila about how the agave has aged. So it's pretty fantastic. Mm-hmm. I learned that on the Discovery Channel.
So yeah,
tequila's good.
So this tastes like a good drink for voting day.
Yes. All right, guys. This was our review of a recreation drink from California Adventure. It is the watermelon candy cocktail. Absolutely fantastic. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is an absolutely amazing drink.
Yeah, this is a full-blown 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I taste more spring, summer. And, you know, like if you're doing yard work or something outside and it's hot, you can fire one of these things down. You'll be good. Pool party, that kind of thing. Tailgating even.
Yeah, tailgating.
For sure. But yeah, the watermelon
like
candy
grilling,
cocktail.
Barbecuing.
This is a full-blown 10 on 10. This is no joke, guys. This tastes exactly like the one in the park. Only it's significantly cheaper. So
yes.
Happy voting day.
Happy
Get out there and
day.
vote. And cheers.
Cheers, guys.